Aerosparx would like to introduce you to the latest innovation in display flying and aerial services: drones. Aerosparx-Drones has been operating at airshows and public events since 2018 across Europe and Asia. Drone regulations have changed significantly in that time, and Aerosparx-Drones has remained at the cutting edge of each new development, remaining compliant with all current regulations. We favour the DJI Mavic series, a perfect blend of super light construction, stability and performance, with a fully automated GPS package. The low weight of the Mavic reduces the risk posed by larger drones when operating in proximity to full-scale aircraft, while still being equipped with a gyro-stabilised ultra-high-definition camera. The Mavic also offers live footage downlink for instant broadcast across all media platforms. Never before has such an immersive experience for the viewer been so attainable. Aerosparx-Drones has developed a working relationship with DJI, the drone manufacturer, to unlock the public geofences around restricted airports. This allows us to fly safely at public events and major airports almost anywhere on Earth, at all times of the day and night. Our drone is flown by qualified operators with all necessary international licenses, assisted by trained observers. Operations are covered by full third-party insurance and are fully compliant with all regulations, including safety distances and operating minima. The crew maintain constant two-way communications with air traffic control and all pilots and stakeholders, and fly on fully briefed and agreed flight paths. We also brief deconfliction procedures when the drone or aircraft transgresses one of the established glass walls. Aerosparx-Drones is the world leader in airshow drone filming, and our experience allows us to keep pushing the limits and continue to work at the cutting edge of this revolutionary technology.